What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to the Spartan channel. You can see I got something here. It is dun, 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 a drone. Let me see how to use. Oh yeah. Before you put your phone in right here. The drone. Camera moves. Open up. And the batteries. Batteries goes back here. Inside. Like so. Another battery, propellers, charging cable, and guards for the propellers. Show you how that go on there. That's how that goes on there. Oh, sorry about that. Got it backwards. Sorry about that. Had it backwards. And I'll be back to show you when it's together. There it is. The Deerc Drone D20. I guess that's how you pronounce it, Deerc. Not too sure. This is how you would do it. Put your phone. Alright guys, so when you go to your to put the camera on, you have to go to the app. This is the app to put the camera on. So you will go here, push the icon down there in between learn and help. You will push that and it will be right there. And this is the app for you to see everything what's going on. I don't have the camera hooked up right now, but for you to hook it up, you will also go to your settings, go to your Wi-Fi, and when you go to your Wi-Fi, you will see the name of the drone, and then you will push that, link it up, and then the camera will be shown on here, and then you will see everything. Just a quick show real fast. Just wanted to show you guys something, a nice little drone, something cheap. You know, I'll show you guys on another video about it flying and everything, the full functions of it, what it does, and everything. So just wanted to get that out real fast. It's always been a pleasure. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.